So, good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, in the last class, we have, physically in university, we have discussed about this one, no? Hernia. So, do you all remember hernia? Any doubts in that topic, hernia? किसी का कुछ डाउट्स है क्या वो हार्निया के टॉपिक के अंदर में? Anyone? Yes? Yes or no? हाँ? Yes or no? Yes or no? How will I know whether you have understood or not? Yes or no? At least reply that. Say something. कुछ तो बोलो ना. Whether how will I know whether you have understood or not? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Samuel?
Now, Samuel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hemam, Shelly, Devi, and all.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am,
understand?
Shelly, Devi, and all. Can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what I was saying was that, did you understand hernia? Hernia? Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now today we will be discussing about upper limb vessel artery. I mean here, na? Upside upper limb vessel. Upper limb vessel means what? Means upside of this. What are the arteries that you find in the upper limb vessel side? Okay, so now let us discuss. So this is your upper limb vessel artery. This one. This is the picture. This is the figure. You need to draw this in your copy. ये जो पिक्चर है तुम लोग का कॉपी में ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. I will send you in WhatsApp group this picture. So this is the upper limb vessel artery. All this red color thing you find, you can see na, in the picture. All these are known as the arteries. So now we will discuss one by one the name of the arteries and as well as what do they do, these arteries. So now let us see. The first artery which you will find is the subclavian artery. So this is a subclavian artery. So this one I'm showing you only the right side. Huh? Only right side, both left side and right side is there. But in the picture I'm showing you only right side. Actually हम लोग के पास दो साइड है, राइट और लेफ्ट करके एक मतलब एक साथ है, लेकिन मैं पिक्चर में सिर्फ राइट साइड को ही दिखा रही हूँ. So don't get confused with that. So uh, okay, so now let us discuss about subclavian artery. So this is the subclavian artery. So the subclavian artery, what do they do? They arise. I mean, this is the subclavian artery. So they arise from the brachiocephalic artery. So this is the brachiocephalic artery. This one, huh? This portion. ये जो है उसको बोलते हैं brachiocephalic artery. Okay, so from this brachiocephalic artery, what artery will arise? The artery name, that is the subclavian artery. So this is the subclavian artery. Understand? So from the brachiocephalic artery, the subclavian artery, it will arise. I mean, it will come out. From where? From the arch of the aorta. Arch of the aorta means what? Do you remember? Na heart. So this is the aorta. This is the aorta. From the arch of the aorta means what? From the heart side. From the arch. Arch means curve. Okay, ऐसा होगा curve. Arch of the aorta मतलब ये जो कर्व है थोड़ा ऐसा करके है, सीधा नहीं है, थोड़ा ऐसा करके होगा, मतलब टेढ़ा होगा ऐसे, तो वहां से it will join and it will come to the right subclavian artery. Okay, to the right subclavian artery. And this brachiocephalic artery, that is this one, where do they, I mean, where are they situated or where they are located? They are located at the backside, behind the clavicle. Behind the clavicle, you remember, na clavicle, this portion, this is known as the clavicle. So where will they lie? Means at the backside. At the backside of the clavicle, this brachiocephalic artery, they lie there. I mean, they are situated there. ये जो brachiocephalic artery है ना, ये कहाँ पे है? ये पीछे में होता है. ठीक है, पीछे में कहाँ पे? ये clavicle है, तो ये clavicle के ठीक पीछे में ये brachiocephalic artery रहता है. समझ में आया? Did you understand? And uh, this brachiocephalic artery, they will continue. They will continue and they will join this axillary artery. Huh? They will join this axillary artery. They will join in this axillary artery. Did you understand so far? Or do you want me to repeat again? Yes?
Repeat, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the upper limb vessel. मतलब means upside, at the upside, what are the arteries that you will find? Upper limb vessel. So this is the limb. So this is, we call it limb, huh? This one. From the picture itself also you can see. This is known as the limb. So upper limb vessel, there is right side and left side. So we are discussing only about the right side. In the picture, don't think that in the left side is not there. It's there. Obviously it's there, but I'm showing you only the right side. Okay, so in the upper limb vessel artery, what will you find? You will find the subclavian artery. This is a subclavian artery. So this is a subclavian artery, and this subclavian artery, from where they are arising, I mean from where they are coming. ये जो subclavian artery ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? So the subclavian artery, they arises from the brachiocephalic artery. Okay, this is the brachiocephalic artery, and the brachiocephalic artery, from where they are arising. They are arising from the they are arising from where? They are arising from the arch of the aorta. You remember na aorta? I mean heart. That is the aorta. From the arch of the aorta, the curve of the aorta, they arise from the brachiocephalic artery. Then afterwards, they come to the subclavian artery. Okay. So in this way they arises, and afterwards, where do they go? They go and they join here. I mean, they go and they connect here. That is in the right, I mean, in the axillary artery. You remember, na axilla is here. So they join in the axillary artery. Understand? And before entering in this axillary artery, what do they do? The subclavian artery, na? And that is right side and the left side. This is the subclavian artery, right side and the left side. Where do they? Where do they join? I mean, where does the blood flow? I mean, before entering this subclavian artery, na, the vertebral artery. Okay, the vertebral artery, that is this side. The vertebral artery, what do they do? The vertebral artery, they pass upside. I mean, uh, they they pass and supply blood where? To the brain. That is the this one vertebral artery. They go and supply blood to the brain. Understand? Then that means upside, upward. They go and supply blood to the brain. That is the vertebral artery. Understand? Then after that, the next one is the internal thoracic artery. The internal thoracic artery, that is this one. The internal thoracic artery, they go and supply blood to where? In the thorax side, means in the chest portion side, no? To the breast portion side as well as the thorax. Means what? Means to the chest portion side. Understand? The vertebral artery, they go and supply blood upside. That is to the brain. Okay, means upside brain. And this internal thoracic artery, that is this one, internal thoracic artery, they go and supply blood to where? They go and supply blood to the chest portion, this portion. I mean the breast portion also you can see, or else chest portion, or else you can see the thoracic cavity, means thorax, this chest portion. So now let us discuss about axillary artery. So the axillary artery, they are actually what? They are actually the continuation of the subclavian artery. So this is the subclavian artery, and the subclavian artery, this is a continuation. This is a continuation of the, now when they continue and they form the axillary artery. So this is the axillary artery, and the axillary artery, when they come, I mean, if they move forward and forward and forward in this way, what will you find? You will find the brachial artery. Here is the axillary artery. Then you will find the brachial artery. You remember the brachial, this portion where you can feel the pulse. You remember it or not? So this is the brachial artery. Understand? So this is the brachial artery, and this brachial artery, actually they are the continuation of the axillary artery. Understand? And this brachial artery, they run down the medial aspect. I mean, in the medial portion. Medial aspect means they run in the middle portion. Okay, they run in the middle portion, and where do they pass? I mean, the blood. Where do they pass? At the front of the elbow. Elbow. Your elbow is here, and they go and supply that to the front. Is this portion? Okay, this portion they will go and supply blood to this portion. That is in the elbow side. This is the elbow. This is the front. So it will go and supply blood. The axillary artery, it will come and they will come here. There is the brachial artery. Understand? So the brachial artery, actually they are the continuation of the axillary artery. It runs down, huh? It runs down in the medial aspect. And this brachial artery, again they are divided into two parts. Brachial artery, you can see from the picture itself, that is the ulnar artery. It is the ulnar artery, and the second is the radial artery. Understand? This is the ulnar. Ulnar here. Here you will find this is your little finger, right? So in this portion you will find, and radial artery means just down your thumb. This is your thumb, right? So you will find here in this portion that is the radial artery. Understand? And this radial artery, they lie on the lateral side. Lateral side means what? Side. Okay, means side. At the side. At the side of the forearm. So it lies here. At the side of the forearm means in your wrist portion. This is your wrist, right? This is known as wrist, where you used to wear bands, watch, and all that. No, that one is known as wrist. So it will lie here. You can also feel your pulse right here. That is downside of your thumb. No? This downside of your thumb, you will be able to feel the pulse. Understand? That is known as radial artery. or else you can say the radial pulse. You can also feel the radial pulse. Okay, so this artery, that is the radial artery, they will go and pass in the metacarpal bones. You remember, no? First carpals, metacarpals, all these. So first, they will come in. First, they will come in the metacarpal bones, and after that, they will enter the artery. They will enter in the palm of the hand. This is the palm of the hand, right? So after that, after coming and coming, there is a radial artery. This is a radial artery. After coming and coming, it will first enter in the metacarpal bones, right? And afterwards, it will go to the palm of the hand, the artery. It will move this side and it connects to the palm of the hand. Understand? And this artery, they run, they run downwards the ulnar artery. That is this side. The ulnar artery and cross, and they will pass all over the hand. That is, you can say right deep palmar arch, right superficial palmar arch, and the last one is the right digital arteries. So in this way, the artery is uh, connected, or they are passed in this manner. That is in the upper limb vessel. Did you understand, everyone, or you want me to repeat again?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to repeat? Yes. It's a bit complicated, no? I mean, the names and all, it's a bit complicated, plus it's very new to you all. So I'm asking you again, do you want me to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the upper limb vessel. Upper limb vessel means limb, Limb. Limb means what? Means all these, your hands, your legs and all that. All these are known as limb. ये limb का मतलब क्या है? Limb. This one, Limb. लिम्ब का मतलब ये है हाथ, पैर, इसको बोलते हैं लिम्ब. Understand? So this limb, they are. I mean, we can know limb as one. I mean, your hands, your legs, and all are known as limb. Okay, so today we will discuss about the upper limb vessel, that is the artery. So this is the upper limb vessel, that is the artery. All these are the arteries which connects each and every part of it. Okay, so first let us see the first artery, that is the subclavian artery. So the subclavian artery, from where they are coming, the subclavian artery. The subclavian artery, it comes out from the brachiocephalic artery. This is the brachiocephalic artery. Huh? So the brachiocephalic artery, from where they are actually coming? They are actually coming from the arch of the aorta. Arch of the aorta means what? Means in your heart. You remember, na, aorta is there. So suppose this is your heart. Suppose this is the arch of the aorta. So arch means what? They are curve. आर्च का मतलब क्या है? वो ऐसा होगा सीधा नहीं होगा. आर्च का मतलब ऐसा है. ठीक है, थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे शेप में होगा. Okay, so the arch of the aorta, from the arch of the aorta, what will supply? I mean, the arteries will go and supply in the brachiocephalic artery. This is the brachiocephalic artery. Then from the brachiocephalic artery, it again connects in the this portion, that is the subclavian artery. Understand? But before going to the subclavian artery, let us come here. Let us come here. That is the vertebral artery. The vertebral artery, what happens here in the vertebral? Wait, in this subclavian artery, means where they are situated. The subclavian artery, they are situated at the back side of the clavicle. This is the clavicle, no? Clavicle, you remember, no? Bones, your beauty bone, your collar bone. So that one is known as the clavicle. So the subclavian artery, where they are actually situated, they are actually situated at the back side of the subclavian artery. तो ये जो सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी है एक्चुअली कहाँ पे ये कहाँ पे है ये सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी के ठीक पीछे में होता है, ठीक है। मीन्स सॉरी, क्लेविकल के ठीक पीछे में होता है, दैट इज योर कॉलर बोन, इट इज एट द बैक साइड। ओके, तो ये राइट एक्सियल आर्टरी आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम लोग ये वर्टिब्रल आर्टरी के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। तो ये जो वर्टिब्रल आर्टरी है ये ऊपर में जाता है, ठीक है। ये जो आर्टरी है ऊपर की तरफ में जाता है, तो ये ऊपर की तरफ में जाके कहाँ पे सप्लाई करता है, ब्रेन, ठीक है। दिस वर्टिब्रल आर्टरी you will find in your brain. I mean it runs upwards, this towards your brain. And this uh, internal thoracic artery, that is this one, and the artery, they go and supply in your chest portion, that is the breast portion and the thoracic cavity, means all this portion, not thorax. This is known as thorax. और ये जो right internal thoracic artery जो है, इंटरनल थोरेसिक आर्टरी जो है, ये जो आर्टरी है कहाँ पे जाके सप्लाई करता है, थोरैक्स, हमारे चेस्ट पोर्शन में, थोरैक्स कैविटी या ब्रेस्ट पोर्शन में सप्लाई करता है। ओके, so the subclavian artery again they will continue and they will come over here, that is in the right axillary artery, means axilla हाँ। तो ये जो सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी है, तो ये जो सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी कंटिन्यू करेगा, ठीक है, ज्वाइन करने में कंटिन्यू करेगा। तो कहाँ पे इट विल कम, कहाँ पे, या इट विल कम इन द राइट एक्सिलरी आर्टरी, मींस एक्सिलरी आर्टरी के तरफ में आएगा। आफ्टर दैट where it will come, after that it will come in the brachial artery. Listen, this is the brachial artery. So the brachial artery, तो ये जो एक्सिलरी आर्टरी आने के बाद कहाँ पे आएगा, ब्रेकियल आर्टरी के तरफ आएगा, इसको बोलते हैं ब्रेकियल आर्टरी। तो ये जो ब्रेकियल आर्टरी है हमारे एल्बो के आगे में रहता है, ठीक है। ये जो ब्रेकियल आर्टरी है ये एल्बो है, ये हमारे एल्बो की तरफ में रहता है, मतलब सामने रहता है, क्यों। So the axillary artery after coming, it will come here in the brachial artery. Understand, brachial artery. So the brachial artery, where will it come? It will come here. This is the elbow, right? So it will come at the front side, and you will be able to feel the pulse also. There is a brachial artery. तो ये जो ब्रेकियल आर्टरी में जब आएगा क्या होगा, हम लोग पल्स, जो पल्स है हम लोग महसूस भी कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। So the brachial artery again it is divided into two parts. There is the ulnar artery. Ulnar artery where will it lie, means in your little finger side ना। ये जो ulnar artery कहाँ पे है, ये small finger के मतलब तरफ में रहेगा, ulnar artery. And the radial artery where will it lie, means this is your thumb, right? So it will lie here, thumb side. So the brachial artery it is divided into two parts. It is the ulnar artery and the radial artery. And the radial artery again it will go and connect in your wrist portion, huh? Means it will, I mean it will join like this, and again it will come in your wrist portion. After coming to the wrist portion, ये wrist portion आने के बाद कहाँ पे आएगा, palm of the hand, इसको बोलते हैं palm of the hand, PALM, palm, ठीक है। this is known as palm of the hand. Okay, so palm of the hand आने के बाद क्या मतलब, for other different arteries that you will find, ये जो palm है, ये palm आने के बाद दूसरा आर्टरीज का नाम क्या है, डीप palmar arch, ये जो है राइट सुपरफिशियल palmar arch। और ये जो लास्ट वाला पोर्शन है ना आर्टरीज, इसको बोलते हैं डिजिटल आर्टरी। तो ऑल दिस लास्ट पोर्शन आर्टरीज ना, at the tip of your fingers you'll find this is known as digital arteries. So these are the names of the uh, upper limb vessel arteries. And you will also find carotid arteries. Carotid artery that is here. Yes, and you will also We'll be able to feel the pulse also inside it. So, this inside. ये जो कैरोटिड आर्टरी है हम लोग के दो गर्दन में रहता है, ठीक है। दिस साइड, वो दिस पोर्शन, हम लोग यहाँ पे पल्स जो है हम लोग महसूस भी कर सकते हैं आर्टरी। Okay, did you understand everyone? Today's class?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Rifen. Rifen Pale, can you hear me? Rifen Pale, Tumpe Jilan, Tumpe, what happened? So quiet. Can come see little join, can come see. Hmm. Surajit, सूरजीत कलिता।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी ठीक है तुम्हारा नेटवर्क?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। नफीस शाह, Nafis Shah, can you hear me? Nafis Shah, can you hear me? Hello? What about Rudolph? 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 Rudolph, can you hear me? What about other students? Can you hear me? Because so far I can see only one student have responded.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tumpe Jillian. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Tumpe, you can't hear me or what? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या तुमपे? तुमपे? Whoever can't hear me, whoever can't hear me properly, you can write in the chat box. Tumpe, what about now? Rudolph, Tumpe, Riffen. Nafishisha. Okay, I think whoever can't hear me, I think your network is bad or what? जिसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है मुझे अच्छे से,